It's a loaded week filled with new releases. The action comedy Bullet Train starring Brad Pitt and Sandra Bullock arrives in cinemas this week. The highly anticipated Netflix series The Sandman also streams this week, along with the Predator prequel, Prey, which is coming to Disney+. Here are some of the best movies and TV shows to watch this weekend. Click on the link below to see our full list. Brad Pitt stars in Bullet Train, an adaptation of the Japanese novel of the same name, where he plays a trained killer going on one last mission before retiring. Boarding a train from Tokyo to Kyoto, he encounters other assassins and soon realizes their missions are all connected. Bullet Train is releasing in cinemas across the UAE and Saudi Arabia on August 4th. Stand-up comedian Joe Coy stars in Easter Sunday, the semi-autobiographical film where he plays an actor/comedian as he prepares to join his Filipino-American family on Easter Sunday. Beyond the bickering, eating and laughing, he realizes that family will always be there no matter what. Easter Sunday is releasing in cinemas across the UAE and Saudi Arabia on August 4th. The Sandman is a highly anticipated series that follows people and places affected by Morpheus, also known as the Dream King. He is tasked with mending the cosmic and human mistakes that he has made, showcasing a blend of modern myth and dark fantasy. The Sandman streams on Netflix August 5th. Luck is an animated adventure that tells the story of Sam Greenfield, who is called the unluckiest person in the world. While living with this dilemma, she soon finds herself in the land of luck, where she must find magical creatures that will hopefully turn her luck around. Luck streams on Apple TV Plus on August 5th. Prey is a prequel to the Predator series and sees a Comanche warrior on a hunt for an alien predator that hunts humans for sport. With her skills, she must overcome the high-tech weaponry that her enemy has in order to protect her people. Prey streams on Disney Plus August 5th. We hope you enjoyed this week's roundup of what to watch from Tea Break. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell to be notified of all our new videos.